Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, Canada and USA share probably world's most friendliest border. You have like people going freely in and out. Of course, when I say freely, definitely with verification, but traffic is really high, and you have like similar traffic rules on both the sides, similar infrastructure you see, so it looks very similar. Alright guys, so one of the major trade routes between USA and Canada is Ambassador Bridge, and you also use it to travel to US from Canada, and that's what I'm gonna show you over here. So basically this is made over Detroit River that connects Detroit, Michigan to Windsor, Ontario. So right now you see it's from Windsor, Ontario, and this is, you can see the board, Bridge to USA, car, buses and RVs. So here you gotta start and I'm gonna show you more. So you are going to follow the lanes. Okay, there are clear indications. See, the other lane is coming from right and it's going to merge with you, so be careful with driving. There are some shops here, of course I did not have to avail them, and keep following. There'll be clear indications made, as you can see. The trucks are also coming in, so be very careful when driving and keep an eye on the surrounding. There are indications. The trucks that you see from the other side are coming from USA. As I said, it's a major trade route. And now we are moving in and we are entering the world famous Ambassador Bridge. We are just going to it. Yeah, you see, and it's a suspension bridge. Now the time I came in, like out of 4 lanes, 3 lanes were given to the traffic coming from USA. You see, in last 2 lanes trucks are there, and in 1 lane cars are going through. And from Canada to US only 1 lane was open, but it was not crowded, right? So I was easily going through. So this configuration they can change anytime based on the traffic, so you don't have to worry about. And the moment you enter in, right now you can see on your right side Detroit River, and here we enter the world famous Ambassador Bridge. And the moment you reach in mid of the river, if you have an active phone, you are going to get the message, welcome to the United States of America. Most of the people in the world want to visit at least once. So now we are going to USA and we are just there. Following the lane is very important, and you are not supposed to stop unnecessarily. If there's a crowd and other things, it's fine, because you see a lot of trucks are stationary, but unnecessarily you cannot stop there. And also follow the traffic rules and speed. You don't want to have a crash on no man's land. Okay, now see, more lanes have been given. Now you see those gates coming in front of you. You can go anywhere, wherever you see they are open. So wherever you see that open written, you can stand for in front of that gate. So there is no crowd, as you see, like hardly 1 or 2 cars in front of all. In fact, I changed my lane because one of the cars got cleared sooner than I thought. Like see the left, one gray color car is moving in. So I changed my lane to that lane because I thought it would be easier, and in fact it was. You see, now you have to stop here. Okay, you have to stop here unless the vehicle in front of you gets through. So you have to stop. There's an officer who's going to process you, and while you drive they are going to record you see these cameras installed all around you, they're going to record you. Okay, so now I am going in slowly, smoothly. Okay, I reached. Now there was an officer. I handed over passports. I described, he asked the reason. I said tourism. He asked the duration. I told. He asked the places I am going to visit. I described them. He asked if I had the hotel reservation already. I said yes. He asked if I would be driving or flying. I said only driving. And then that's it. He allowed us to go. It hardly took few minutes, but yeah, these officers have all the authority. They can do thorough questioning, thorough checking. They can check even your personal devices and belongings. They have all the rights whichever they deem is required to complete the verification, because they are like border guards for their nation. For me, it was not a big processing. In fact, he was very what do you call, friendly guy, and he was he asked very few questions, and see, I'm off. Now again you have to follow the lane. It's good to have a map, okay, so that you don't get into anything wrong. See, there's only single line at this time, single lane at this time, so watch carefully. Yeah, these are the toll gates. Okay, you have some cash, credit card, cash only, and other things. So I went for credit card, but whatever happened here, this machine was not working for me. After swiping for a few times, I had to change and I had to go to the second one. There my card worked and it allowed me to go through. So you have to be ready with cash. $5 they ask. So you want to put your card, you can. If you want to put your cash, you can. And you see there I-96, I-75. These are the highway symbols of USA. And technically you are in the States now. And you can go further. So that's how it goes through, guys, and from there you can take it. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a subscribe, and then please let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.